Ibinahagi ng ilang Filipino-Canadian creatives ang kanilang mga karanasan sa pagsisimula ng kanilang mga karera sa creative field ng Canada. Isang bagay na nais nilang maging inspirasyon para sa mga susunod na henerasyon. Kilalanin natin sila sa report ni Kisha Balatbat.
The idea is, if you are going through the door, you hold it open, right?
Sa Toronto nitong Biyernes, nagtipon ng ilan sa Filipino-Canadian community para pag-usapan ng kanilang karanasan bilang mga creative sa Canada. Nagkaroon ng networking session at panel discussion kung saan nagsalita ang 4 na Filipino creatives tungkol sa pagsisimula ng karera sa bansa. Ito'y sina Jenalie Austria Bonifacio, isang author, artist at educator na si Eric Tigley, multidisciplinary artist na si Chloe Rondo, at filmmaker, poet and writer na si Jim Libiran.
These mixers of the Filipino-Canadian creative is very important for artists like us. Kailangan namin magkonekta sa mga Filipinos na artists dito so we can build the community and this is the chance for us to know each other, magkailala kami, and then possibly work on projects together.
Ayon kay Tigley, marami ang kayang gawin ng mga malikhaing Pilipino, kailangan lamang nila ng oportunidad.
The Filipino community's creative industry is super duper talented and strong. People don't know what it is yet. We know because we're in it, but every person has a momentous melody. Like, they're so talented. It's ridiculous. And the industry itself, once we start supporting ourselves, it's gonna be a juggernaut.
Sa pamamagitan ng pagbahagi ng kanilang mga karanasan, inaasahan nila na makakapulot ng aral at inspirasyon ang susunod na henerasyon. Mahalaga rin daw sa kanila na tulungan ng mga interesadong sumunod sa kanilang larangan.
A lot of Filipino writers, especially here in Toronto, are self-published. And this book is not. This book went through a traditional press called Douglas and McIntyre. And because of this, it opened up a lot of doors for me. The book has made it to the Toronto Book Awards finalist list, longlisted for Canada Reads. I've been doing tours in North America. A lot of very big festivals have had me. And so I feel very blessed, and I feel like I'm kind of opening these doors for everyone behind me to see, look at all the possibilities, because oftentimes if you publish it yourself, you're the only one promoting, and it's much easier when you have a mainstream press with you helping.
How I'm inspire the next generation? Mostly through the articles we create, the art we create. Most art is supposed to be narrative anyways. I teach kids how to do it, where to do it, on the platform they can do it in, publish books, and then ensure that they have a voice. You know, if they can't get published in the regular streams of publishing, then at least they'll have my boutique publishing house, which is Yeti Arts.
Ang event na ito, hatid ng PhilCan Creative, isang grupo na layong ikonekta ang mga Filipino-Canadian sa larangan ng media, arts at entertainment upang mapalago ang kanilang mga karera dito sa Canada. Kisha Balatbat, Omni News, Toronto.